What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I've been working on my Python build. I've got the enclosure done. I've got almost everything put together. I got to figure out how to get these wheels on the spool holders, and once I do that, I should be good to go. I'll be working on that later. But this just came in today, and I'm going to go ahead and take a break from the Python build and get this installed on my new A1 Mini. Read the instructions and see what it looks like. This is the screen, I guess. See what it looks like, and hopefully it'll just be something cool, not needed necessarily, but just something a little extra. I saw you can add your own like kind of GIFs or videos, something on the screen. So I'll figure all that out and take you along on the journey. Stay tuned. Alright, I have everything cabled up and ready to go. This popped on real easy. The cover pops off just by pulling it and lifting. I went ahead and tied the cable, power cable, around the power cable of the A1 Mini. Printed out a 3D holder that was provided as a link in the instructions for this, for the A1. And let's go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. A broken screen. That's awesome. Alright, time to get in touch with Big Tree Tech support. Stay tuned and we'll see how this ends. Alright, so I just created a ticket to Big Tree Tech about the screen here. This really stinks. Probably be 2 weeks before I receive a new one, a replacement. It takes a while to get, probably about a week, I would think. Anyway, I will keep you guys posted and let you know what they come back with as far as replacement and time. But I'm going to put this out there just so y'all can see it, and I'll video the new one when I receive it. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. Share the video, and we will catch you on the next one.